Hi everybody, welcome to Yagya. In today's class, we will discuss about the most important questions of July current affairs. So welcome everybody to the session and let's begin now. Next question. Which Indian state celebrates Farmers' Day on July 8 to commemorate the birth anniversary of its former chief minister? Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Kerala and Madhya Pradesh. The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Which organization has estimated that India needs 6.2 percentage of additional spending of GDP to achieve the 2030 sustainable goals? So whatever expenditure we are doing now is not sufficient. We need additional 6.2 percentage of the GDP to be spent here. So which organization has estimated this? Niti Aayog, RBI, WHO, UNDP? The answer is Niti Aayog. Next question. What is the report submitted by the Niti Aayog regarding Sustainable Development Goal attainment to the United Nations called as? Voluntary National Review VNR, Composite Water Index, In-Depth Energy Policy Review. The answer is VNR, Voluntary National Review. So the Niti Aayog has estimated that additionally 6.2 percentage of GDP will be required to achieve 2030 sustainable goals. This is the country's think tank and it is a second VNR that was given to the United Nations High Level Political Forum, that is HLPF, on the sustainable development in 2020. This report was given. It is advised that the budget should be aligned with SDGs. Okay, so according to Niti Aayog, the budgets should be more and more aligned with SDG. The next question, which union ministry implements PM Swanidhi Street Vendor Atmanirbhar Nidhi scheme? Okay, so PM Swanidhi scheme is under which ministry? The answer is MoHUA, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Basically, MoHUA is implementing PM Swanidhi. So the street vendors like the chaat walas, gupchup walas, a lot of vendors have actually lost their business. And here they are not being able to cater to the public requirements. Also their livelihood is at stake now. PM Swanidhi was launched in the year 2020 1st of June to provide working capital loan to the street vendors. So basically there are two kinds of capital. Physical capital is basically categorized into two kinds of capital: the fixed capital and the working capital. Fixed capital, for example, the vehicle is a fixed capital. The things that will not get exhausted with the production, that is a fixed capital. Working capital on the other hand says that those things which will change with production, for example the amount of money, the loan, all of these understanding. So that is the working capital. Recently the ministry has also launched a mobile application for this, which is named by the same name, PM Swanidhi app. Next question. What is the target year set by the Indian Railways to achieve a net zero carbon emission? The answer is 2030. Next question. Which Indian has become the world's 6th largest person according to Bloomberg's Billionaires Index? The answer is Mukesh Ambani. And Mukesh Ambani has recently crossed SpaceX founder Elon Musk, Alphabet founder Sergey Brin and Larry Page to reach this position. Last week he has also surpassed Warren Buffett. The wealth of Mukesh Ambani is approximately 72.4 billion. So this is not so much needed. However, this index is very, very important. Next one. Which institution has developed an ultraviolet sanitizing product named Shuddh? The answer is IIT Kanpur. So Shuddh is an abbreviation of Smartphone Operated Handy UV Disinfection Helper. The device comprises of 6 UV lights which can be monitored even from a distance. It can disinfect a small room in only 15 minutes. The next question, as per the World Drug Report of United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, which country reported the highest seizure of opium in 2018? So you have to arrange this in decreasing order. So from which country highest seizure of opium was seen here? The correct answer is A. So highest is from Iran, then Afghanistan, then Pakistan and then India. Friends, my name is Yagyasani Patra. I teach on Unacademy Live. This is my referral code YAGYALIVE, YAGYALIVE. If you use my referral code, then you will get another 10% discount on your Unacademy Plus subscription. This is the Telegram link t.me/unacademy_opsc. If you join this particular channel, you will get free study materials. Apart from that, you will get video updates about my next videos. For Civil Services 2021, Odisha Foundation course has been launched. So Nirman Foundation course, जहाँ की 25th में start हो जाएगी. In that, we are preparing students for Odisha Civil Services 2021. I am teaching Science, Tech and Current Affair in this particular course. So what are all my courses on Unacademy? First of all, Polity from M. Lakshmikant part 1 has been already completed. So you can watch the recordings, and my upcoming course Polity from M. Lakshmikant part 2 will just be started in June. So if you want to learn polity from me, you can join me on Unacademy. Then complete Science and Technology for OPSC and other government job examinations. Third, Current Affairs. So weekly current affairs also I am covering on Unacademy platform. This is my referral code YAGYA9, and alternatively you can also use my referral code YAGYALIVE YAGYALIVE for getting additional 10% discount. So आपण a referral code को भी use करी परिबे, and you can also use this referral code to get an additional 10% discount. These are my courses, so if you want to learn from me, you can join me on Unacademy Plus platform. So basically, what are the upcoming courses on Unacademy? First of all, there is a Garud course. In this Garud course for CPSC mains, that is the Police Services mains, grammar, that is Odia grammar, reasoning and general awareness are being taught by 3 grade educators. Next up, Laksha OHC ASO course, in which for ASO aspirants, this particular course, it is a comprehensive course and it has started. The payment pattern is for 6 months it is 5,600, for 12 months it is 7,000 rupees, for 24 months it is 8,400 rupees. So as we know friends, when we prepare for this government job examination, we do not go for one government examination, we appear for many. Similarly, the preparation time is also not limited. We have to keep giving the examination. So according to me, the ideal plan is for 2 years or 1 year, in which not only one government examination like OPSC, but many government examination like OPSC, ASO, CPSC, Police SI, OMC, all kind of government examinations conducted by the government of Odisha will be given due importance, and individual courses will be launched for them. So you will get training not only for one exam but for many, okay, under this single platform of Unacademy. In this fee structure, you will get additional 10% if you use my referral code YAGYA9 YAGYA9, or if you use my referral code YAGYALIVE YAGYALIVE, okay, to get additional 10% discount. Apart from that, there is no cost EMI option available for 6 months, 12 months and 24 months on your subscription. Finally, optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and let's crack it.